Okay, now we're on to Hotel Project of the Year, and I'd like to call up Julian Szymowski to help us give this award away. Well, I guess I should move us to the Hotel Project part.
3 nominees on the list.
Welcome back.
Ibis Styles, Accor Poland, Holiday Inn Warsaw City Intercontinental Hotels Group Poland, and Hotel Europejski, HESA Poland.
Okay, and the winner is for Hotel Project.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this award is Hotel Europejski HESA Poland.
I know we're working you hard today, but welcome back.
I think what it is, Craig, is when I first came to Poland and I started my first company on the 1st of April 1990, which is before a lot of you guys were born. It was in Hotel Europejski, in one of the big suites facing Bristol on the corner.
Right.
So I think that's why they chose me to...
Well, you were the original customer. Now, maybe not the original, but...
Well, I think they wanted us to go in there because the Ministry of Defence is across the road, and it was the most bugged building in Warsaw.
Right, so they could listen to all your interesting conversations.
Exactly.
Well, come on up here, then you need a good photo with that. Julian, come join us